Hi everyone, my name is Ori. I'm Somekh as well. This is my first SolidCAM World. I joined last year, SolidCAM, and I'm very happy to be part of the family. You are great people, and I get like lovely welcome from everyone. So thank you very much. So today I'm going to speak about SolidCAM Chatbot. When I started with SolidCAM a year ago, I started with the documentation, I started with courses, I started with webinars just to learn as much as possible about SolidCAM as fast as possible. SolidCAM have wonderful documentation and webinars. I learned the basic very quickly. However, sometimes I had questions that I need quick answers to in order to progress in my work. So I had an idea. It was the same time ChatGPT went online as a product. And I thought I looked some YouTube videos on how to create like a chatbot specific for specific target. And I said, why not create a tool for myself in order to improve myself in my knowledge. So I started with creating and embedding a knowledge base with all the SolidCAM documentations. And I started with a simple OpenAI model into doing that. And I had end up with large embedding data store that I can ask questions and get answers to. But that wasn't sufficient. I had idea for more knowledge insertion and knowledge about the SolidCAM in general, so I thought maybe just also adding webinars. So webinars, SolidCAM have many webinars with a lot of knowledge, and I said that will be a great resource to tap into when I need. So I created, so I took the webinars text and embedded that as well into the chatbot. And I thought, that's great. I asked questions, I got great answers, but I needed to know where exactly can I find the exact location for that answer. So I thought creating a link between sources inside the chatbot that can link me directly to the source. So this was created the PDF with links in sources that will get you to the exact location in the online help and courses as well. And it's a pinpoint accuracy. It's the exact words that you get in the answer. You can locate it in the PDF as well. And also in webinars. So in webinars, we took the exact, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, it talked about this specific subject, if it's a template or anything else. And when you click the link, it goes directly to the webinar where it speaks about this 1 minute about if it's break aging, so it's break aging. And it has a comprehensive coverage, so webinars and everything. So this is how it works. You see in the image below, you have the documents. You can view the page. It will take you exactly, if the question was about process templates, we'll get you directly to the process templates. So you can see all the menu. You can look at the documentation and consult the documentation about it. Also with webinars, so we asked about the template, so you can see on the bottom you have webinars, and you can click the link. It will get you directly to the 10th minute of the webinar where it speaks about creating a template, because this was the question about how to create a template. So this is fantastic for users. This is great because they can improve their real-time learning and also see a person do it live, like in a webinar. So the benefit for users are plenty. You have step-by-step instructions. It gives you step-by-step instructions. The SolidCAM instant assistance, 24/7. You can get it instantly. It gives you visual support. So we also included in some of the answers specific images from the documentation, if it's a menu, if it's if it's like the toolkit explanation, like actually you can see the image inside the answer. Kevin will ask this question and you will see in the demo. And it helps us resolve common issues instantly. I already say that. And for benefit for existing users, also advanced users can really have like a great assistant with the chatbot. I saw a question about titanium, about creating toolpath. It really helped also like very experienced users. It have advanced troubleshooting. They can optimize workflow. And also the detailed resource. They can also see the resource very quickly. And this always stay updated. So if a new webinar is launched, we directly include it in the knowledge base of the SolidCAM chatbot with the links, so you can get the most up-to-date knowledge. So the chatbot is connected to SQL table, so we can see every question and answer by the chatbot, so we can improve on it. So we go every day, check the answers and questions, and we consult our experts to see if the answer is correct, and we can instantly change the answer, we can improve on it, we can make it better. So we have like internal workflow, and we talk to the experts, and they'll insert it immediately. If the answer is incorrect, or they want to add another knowledge to the chatbot, they can do it. So it's great, it's interactive, it supports multi-languages, so every person can speak with his own language. It's available 24/7, of course. Have seamless integration. With SolidCAM 2024, you can find it on the right-hand side. There is a button there. When you click it, you get to the website. And yeah, it give you personal responses for your questions. So it's also very valuable for SolidCAM staff because it reduces the workload on support. So there is many users that ask the same question all the time, and they are very basic. So instead of support have to handle and not waste their time, but the chatbot can actually give you like a quick answer, and 99% of the time is correct. So it's great for also new stuff, like me when I came to SolidCAM as a training tool to help you get on board faster into SolidCAM. Also for sales and for support. And now Kevin will show you some examples about the chatbot. How he answers.
Yeah, give you guys a little bit of an overview of the chatbot. Now, we've been watching slideshows all day long. Let's test it out in real life. And basically what I want to tell you guys here is what Ori has done has taken all of our PDF files, any documentation, any video, Linda's Corners videos. It searches everything on our entire database and finds the answer and brings it right to that answer instantly. And not only do we get the documentation help, we get video help, we get the text help, we get the videos built in there. This chatbot is only going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. So let's test it out real quick. I'm going to plug my HDMI in here. And let's get some real life ones. And we should be popping up. Oh, shoot, now I lost my questions.
Oh.
No, because it goes there. Yeah. I can't see on my computer screen, though. All right. What was our first question, Emil? I even forgot. Oh, yeah. How do we do edge breaking? Well, Ori, when he developed it, he didn't know how to do edge breaking, so let's do it. I don't have to tell it anything. Just type in edge breaking, possibly with a question mark. Okay, step-by-step documentation on exactly how to do that step-by-step. But to take it one further here, I can't see. We have a webinar. And I can go view webinar. And it's going to skip all the nonsense that I don't need to listen to and bring me right to the section of the video that I'm looking for. So it skipped our first, 15 minutes and 49 seconds just because I wanted to find out about edge breaking, okay? So now let's go back. And we have documentation. What's this going to do? It's going to bring us to our introductory series in our PDF book that we have online that our customers never like to read, but it's there. Now, we can type in something very quickly and get an answer instantly and not have to pick up the phone and call tech support. I don't have to pick up the phone for my sales guy and say, sales guy or tech guy, how do we do this, this, and this? So this is a great spot for not only customers, tech support, sales, the entire team here. So let's do a little bit more testing here. Okay. Well, and then, like I said, we have webinar, documentation number 2, documentation number 3, and another webinar that covers edge breaking. But now let's go, let's see. Yep.
It's in German.
Everybody. This is built into the software as it sits right now in 2014.
Wait, it's in German.
Oh, oops.
Must the crap.
Oh, whoop, I spelled it wrong. Well, we'll see what it comes up with. Okay. Selling against Mastercap, whatever you want to call it, we got step-by-step bullet points for your sales team, for your resellers, anybody that wants to see out there why we are better. As well as, boy, this is tough. We have webinars of Emil telling us how much better SolidCAM is than Mastercam. So this is huge, absolutely huge. Now, let's go into a little bit more detail. You guys ever in the toolkit, why is my tool orange? Oh. And this is what Emil's saying is bringing you right to the form of the exact key points that Emil is telling us that we are way better than anybody else, right? So all our points are here, bring it to the form. We have video format of it as well, right? So, let's go back. I really wish I had my screen up here. And why? So it's telling us we have exactly what the issue is with a screenshot showing you, pointing what is actually happening and what's going on right here in that tool table. And that's telling you, the chatbot is telling us exactly why we are showing orange right now on that tool table versus everything else being gray. So this is great stuff. I mean, how many of you guys out there right now knew exactly what that orange color meant? That's exactly what I thought because I had no idea until Ori showed it to me. So this is amazing stuff. Now, as I've been, saying in presentations, yes. So like I've been saying in presentations, it's the stuff that we don't know that we can sell to our customers. Think outside the box. Think about, okay, now we have a chat AI right inside SolidCAM. What level can we take that now to? We're talking post-processor, stuff like that. It's going to be able to help us along. So let's just test it out a little bit more here. I want to find out, does modifying my hole wizard. So let's, where's the Z?
Yeah.
I don't have microphone on the, it's back there. So, as what Emil is telling you guys is, you guys can actually speak to it instead of having to type anymore. Hit the little microphone button on the far right side, boom, it's instantly recording your voice off of your mic. And you know, as you guys are in sales and tech support, we're always on our phones anyway, so it's easier to click that little mic button than it is to, you know, type it on your phone or type it on the keyboard, right? All right, so we wanted to know how to change up the whole wizard. It's telling me exactly step by step how to do it, but like myself, we don't like to read. We want to watch a video on it. Go to my source. Jumps automatically right to 20, show the, oh. What do I have to click to get rid of it?
You need to scroll down. And
Oh!
it's German.
I can't read German. Right there?
Yes.
Oh, so, we lost our,
No, you just play it.
our HDMI went out.
You can play the. You have to push the button, play button. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, missed it.
Like you can't hear basically.
Oh, so okay, sorry guys. It is playing down here at the bottom. There we go. So, jumps right to the exact spot in the video when we start talking about how to modify the whole wizard process. This information is huge. I used to have to go on YouTube and look through the book constantly to look it up because I'm not working in the whole wizard database every day, right? Nobody's working, you know, it would be nice just to work on drilling and that's the only thing we work on, but right here we have our entire database, everything SolidCAM right at our fingertips, right here. Okay, let's hop out of here, let's go back. Let's do a couple more here. Oh, I can't do it because I don't have a screenshot here, but you guys can actually go onto the chatbot. You get a SolidCAM error, feed too large error. Great common error. To the customer, that means nothing, feed too large. That means absolutely nothing at all. We have an issue with the feed rate going too high or something like that. You can copy and paste a screenshot error into onto the chatbot, and it will automatically diagnose the error for you and give you a resolution to how to fix it. I mean, that is awesome. I mean, that is just absolutely awesome. So, like I said, just take a picture of the error, snap or screenshot, upload it, chatbot takes care of it all for you. So, we got one last question in here, and it's a little bit of a surprise question. I was hoping Ori and I were going to be the only ones to know about it, but let's see what the chatbot can do for magic. Okay, as machinists, at least in the United States, Titan and Donnie would agree, to be a real machinist, you got to have a tattoo. That shows, you know, strong. So, let's ask the chatbot. When will Emil get a, oops. Let's see what it does. And if you guys can't read it, what we got right here is SolidCAM worldwide. Emil gets upsells from tech support worldwide. He is going to have a SolidCAM tattoo up here on stage in 2025 next year. But I need all of you guys to push forward to it. So all the technical staff are pulling hard towards those upsells so Emil can get his lifelong tattoo. And that's everything that we got, guys. Chatbot, please come check it out. There's so much here. Oh, sorry. And we got Titan here with his tattoos. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. All right, guys.
Thank you.